Alright, tulikuwa tumefika ambapo tunamalizia sasa. Now, you said that you support young people. Where we started by saying, or you said that you support these young people genuinely. Murara Kebaso anataka kuwania kiti cha rais. When it comes to 2027, umesema kwamba you don't support him. Why?
He came the wrong time. He did it in the wrong time.
Then who are these people who you prefer them to be young that you support?
Anybody who upholded the constitution and what the constitution said.
Kwani Murara Kebasa ameenda babaya wapi?
He has done it well. I remember currently we have political sympathy. So we cannot have to support him. Maybe he's saying something.
Now, as per the ground of now, Murara Kebaso is young. Kwa wale ambao wanataka kuwania kiti cha urais when it comes to 2027. We have Murara Kebaso. Kuna pia Wakenya ambao wamesema kwamba huenda ikawa Fred Matiang'i, who was previously was a minister for education
In the interior.
Interior, thereafter education, during the time of Uhuru Kenyatta. Kuna baadhi tu ya Wakenya ambao wamesema kwamba huenda ikawa naye pia anataka kuwania kiti cha rais when it comes to 2027. We have this other person who is Okiya Omtata. Maybe from Okiya Omtata. What can you say?
Also Okiya Omtata is taking advantage of something. We need somebody who is genuinely doing that thing. We want to try to be a president. I remember Okiya Omtata recently was in the streets. But Okiya has been doing a good work since the past days. He has been doing good. We will try to consider, my opinion, but no, I don't know the other opinion of the youths around the country. We may try to consider. But you need to strategize and tell us something. Yes. The kind of people, the Gen Z, is not about what are you speaking? Are you capable? And we judge you by the books from the previous records. Yeah.
Fred Matiang'i.
He has done well. Also, records will do well. The students of the year, when he was a Minister of Education,
That is 2017.
they can tell you well. Yes.
Lakini
It was tough.
Lakini alisaidia sana.
It was tough. So many students didn't go to university. But that's good.
Lakini hapo ndo tulipata walimu ambao ni genuine. Doctors ambao ni genuine because kwenda university ulikuwa unaenda na akili yako.
I can support Matiang'i. But I told you that I have a right to my vote. That's my privacy to have it.
Murara Kebaso is a kissing. Fred Matiang'i is a kissing. Do you support tribalism?
No.
Ikifika kwamba unajua
and that's what I've told you.
Kenya, since we got independence, hakuna mtu ambaye ni Mkisii amewahi kuwa president. Now that we have two people who want to fight for this presidency when it comes to 2027, why don't you support your own
agenda? The agenda you are going to tell me. Gen Z, we are fearless, leaderless, tribalist. So a number of things can make us support somebody. But for now, I just keep it.
Now, from your opinion, my opinion, you don't support young people.
I support them.
You don't.
I support. When anybody, even if it's somebody who's 80 years, 20 years, respect the Constitution.
Okay. Right. Parting shots.
Let's be Kenyans. Let's be peaceful. Let's please those guys who are putting leaders in the coffin. Death is not something to joke about. Let's look another way of doing it.
Right.
On pointing out. And let's mobilize the youths who have not registered as voters, please register as voters. That's the only weapon to rectify our country come year 2027.
And that in our Sungumzia emergency.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please, let's have our votes. That's the only thing. Let's mobilize ourselves. Let's have our votes, and let us not receive any handouts from leaders saying that shika chai nini. That's your money. Wamewaibia wanawaletea tena.
Okay.
But kwa sahi to ile tabia ya kuweka watu kwa coffin, death is not something to joke about.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're done.
Done.
Alright. Nimependa sana kitu ambacho umesema kwamba tusichukue hongo. Na nadhani kwamba mpenzi mtazamaji, next time tutaanzia hapo kuchukua hongo.
Yes.
Because nowadays many people, a good number of Kenyans wanachukua hongo wakisema kwamba nipe ndipoza nikupe.
Yeah.
Yani give me money so that I can give you this one vote. Kama utanipea pesa yako, sitakupea vote. That's why tuko na uongozi ambao tunao sasa hivi. Asante sana kwa kujumuika pamoja na sisi kwenye studio zetu.
Thank you.
African Cinema.
Thank you.
Karibu tena wakati mwingine.
Thank you.
Umekuwa nami Robin Jonas Sangwe mpaka wakati mwingine. Mungu akubariki.